Okay. So we all know protein is highly important for body, and today we will learn very quickly that what we can do, what we can use in our home to make protein. So I had chickpeas with me. I boiled, keep it, soak it in water. I kept it in fridge then, and then I steamed it. So I have a very beautiful mortar and pestle, which I'll show you before I proceed. So do you see this? Do you see? And look at the shape of this. Look at the shape of this. So this is so cute. It's quite heavy, which I got it from West Side. So what I've done is I am I have I have crushed or I okay, so since I'm not going for potatoes, what I will be using is this. You know, what is this? Sweet potato. The sweet potato is good for hair. So what I'm going to do is with this sweet potato, I will be using on my mortar and pestle. So watch this. Making tikkis, okay? Not potato tikkis, sweet potato. It binds well like potato. No fats in it. Let's go for it. Okay. So this, did you see how beautiful this mortar and pestle is? So now what I'm going to do is, this was my chickpeas. I will be putting all this in this and I'll make a dough. Oh, before that I have to put little spices in it. So let me just get the spice box. I'll put coriander leaves. Okay. Okay, for digestion, I'll put ajwain. Okay, some more maybe. I like it. Some more pepper maybe. Do it as per how much spicy you want to make. So what we will do is we will just cut one chili and we'll put it in our tikki batter. I think one chili would be enough. I don't want to make it too spicy because this green chili is a little spicy. Okay. Okay, now we'll just put more salt because I added sweet potato and chickpeas batter. I added more to it. I'm putting more, that bit of pepper. So I will put some more coriander in it. Just give you very good taste. I know I should have done it in the beginning only, but I realized that it will be less for two people. No worries. If it's left also, we can use it next day. You can freeze it. We can use it next day. Okay, now we'll just mash it. We'll make a dough and then we'll make tikkis. So our dough is ready. So the sweet potato helps in binding. It's very, very good in binding. That we will quickly make
these tikkis and keeping it this side. So it's not that too mushy and it's quite, you can bind it easily.
So see, look at the shape of the tikki. It's all ready. So I am ready with the pan. So I will take groundnut oil or up to you. I prefer not to cook in olive oil because olive oil is not good for cooking Indian food because we do lot of like making masalas and all that. So I will just put groundnut oil. Keep changing your oil also. It's always good. So is it the groundnut? I have put the groundnut oil on my pan. Let's just show you the pan now. Again, I forgot I wanted to put onions in these, but I think I'll not put onions now. I'm making one for my Krishna. I like that a lot. I flipped it. See how it will taste. Since I am not doing deep fry, making on pan and using some oil, not like how you do it in deep fry. I'll just put some more tikkis just to save more time.
Once you make
Get you taste it, you would definitely like it. So I'll come back once these are ready. Okay, center one is ready almost. Flip it. Just flip it. Okay. This is almost ready. We'll just make. So my Krishna's tikki is ready. See, tikki is ready. So I'll come back. We are making these. Let's flip these. So meanwhile, tikkis are getting ready. I'm making burger tikki. So in my bread, not just tikki, I will put tomatoes. I'll put cucumber and slide butter to toast my breads. So हम basically बना रहे हैं burger, but not in burgers, in breads. Okay. So I will just make this in thin slices. These are a little soft. Don't panic. This may break when you're picking it up. May, okay? See? Because I just increase the heat. That's why, see, it will get. No problem. Anyway, it's just going inside the tummy only. You want to put more oil, you can. You don't want to put oil, you can avoid. I will put some oil because I like it not to be too dry. At this moment, I can add some olive oil also because here we are not doing a deep fry thing. So olive oil is just for the flavor on it. So I like olive oil. So say that why is that bad? Oil is needed for body. Ghee is needed for body. So this is all. Now it won't be that dry. So I will starting the process to make burgers. Okay. So what I need is butter. I have sliced all of the veggies. I have cheese sliced. Up to you. That's optional. You want to add it. You don't want to add it. well processed. It's up to you. I'm making it with it. Okay, so my channel is about making food, making things good for your tummy, and about travel, and about, skincare, health, internal, outside. So you will get a lot of mixed content, but majorly I'm working on food because the internal thing needs to, heal. Then only you will get glow on your face or you will get the clear skin. Okay. So today I am making chickpeas tikki, chickpeas and sweet potato tikkis, which will go inside the burger. We will eat it, and I am using milk bread, brown milk bread, which is okay. If you're having one or two in a day is fine, and with protein. So once some carb is also needed. Even though my sweet potato has carb, but I am not eating tikki like that. I will be putting it in my burger because that's my breakfast. And with that, we'll see if we are making oats or we are cutting fruits. What I'm going to do is I have these kulchas, brown kulchas, and now my mutton is over. So what about these kulchas? So we will use these kulchas to make big burger, and let's see how it looks like. So this is what we will be doing. So this is putting it on my tawa. Just heat it for some time. I'm taking out butter. Okay. Now we'll do the same process with another one. So what I'm going to do is put cheese slice. Cheese slice. I will be adding it looks so beautiful. Look at this. Switch off the stove. Sprinkle some salt, pepper. I have oregano. I would love to put oregano, not some Italian seasoning. Okay. Now we will take one tikki. This tikki. It's a hot. Please be careful. I'm picking one tikki. See, I told you it may break. So I put two big tikkis in it. We have green chutney. We'll just spread this green chutney over it. Then put the ketchup on this. Okay. Spread the ketchup. And our fantastic burger is ready. Do you see the burger? So this, I've cut it in 4 pieces and it's ready to be eaten.
Amazing!